Ooh-wee, good morning, welcome to the woodshed. And I'm Ted and all that stuff. As you can see, we got some snow up here and it is cold. Woke up this morning to single digits, somewhere around 6. I think it's warmed up to around 7 or 9. And dogs are loving it. But all I'm going to do today is a quick video on house saws are starting in this cold weather, and I'm going to do it fast because in this weather my battery power drops up so fast. It's like nobody's business, and I will be out of battery soon, and I'm not bringing another camera out. And watch Zeus and Odin run around a little bit. Anyway, that's what we're doing. We're going to go everywhere from a topping saw all the way up to an 090. Enjoy. Man, oh man, you know it's cold when I'm wearing my Nomex hoodie and a Carhartt. And you'd understand a Nomex hoodie if you were a fireman. Great stuff. We're going to start with the smallest saw. We're going from 38 cc's to about 138, right? 137 on the 090. And we're going to go right through the gamut. We're going to go with a small saw, a tiny saw, a small saw, a medium saw, a large saw, and a really, really big saw. So we're going with the 338 Husky, Stihl 250, Husqvarna 570, Husqvarna 288, my baby, my go-to, my favorite in the field work saw, and of course one of my giants, Stihl 090s, product of West Germany. Again, the temperature right now is somewhere between 7 and 9 degrees. These saws have been in an unheated shed, so we are starting from dead cold. And let me just move the camera because I know I'm going to have to start that thing on the ground. These are all going to be real-time starts, only hindered by if my dogs come and check it out. All right, Husqvarna 338. Not even going to pump that bulb, it's full. Choke on, break off. Nice. Always a saw you can rely on for a cold start. This saw, I really like it a lot. It seems to be right there for you. This is usually like a 3 and 3 pull, 3 with the choke on and 3 to get it idling. It's a Stihl MS 250. That's 6 in. Another great runner, this little engine, very happy with it. I bought it for breaking brush in the mouth of the big chipper in case there was a branch that was too heavy for the machine to crush. We leave it hanging there. It's nice, light, shortened up the bar so you can reach into the hopper, cut something if you have to. It's another saw I'm actually really pleased with, Husqvarna 570 X-Torque. We'll go without our decompression button on this baby. Pretty impressive. Well, let's see if we can get it idle. Actually, I got it off. Not too bad. Took a little bit to get that bigger motor up there and stay in it idle. I think now we're going to get into a little bit of test starting in the cold weather with the classic 288 light one of my favorite saws I've ever owned. Actually, this saw I hacked my leg off with in the shin there, flopping from the meat, long story. I'm gonna give it a shot and see if I can make this happen without the decompression button. I know I'm taking my knuckles into my hands here. Yeah, we're gonna decompress it. One. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Get out of there. Hey, get. Alright, here's the test of manliness for starting. 090 official. Okay, let's see. Love these saws, man. Focus up, camera. 090 AV Stihl. This is my favorite part, though. For those of us of a certain age, made in West Germany, not only printed, but embossed. Gotta love that. This will be the test for cold weather starting right here. Gotta say, I'm always impressed with running into these big guys, though. Always start well, and seem to start well even in the cold. Get out of here, Oates. Gotta chase my dogs away. I'm impressed. Saws run kind of odd though. They don't seem to run right without a load on them at full throttle. So anyway, Odin, what are you sniffing there? Get out of there. Get. Go. Get. I'm gonna. Come here, buddy. Pet my dogs, play with my dogs in the snow. Odin. Good boy. And get my saws put away. Go inside and warm my nuggets. Get him! Get him!